Okay, so we received a present in the mail today. Janet and I bought a prezi, and hopefully we're going to start doing some more video work. And Janet's about to do the unboxing. There she goes. The knife's on the box, and she's going to do the unboxing. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Wonder what's in the box. Oops.
Special present.
Okay. I want to zoom in on that box.
Something special.
What's in there?
Yeah.
What have we got?
Which way is up? Which way is up? I think it's this.
I see some. Just hold it. Just hold it. I just want to zoom in there.
I think it's this way.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mavic. It says Mavic. Oh. Yeah.
There
Baby.
you go.
Yeah, baby. Our Mavic Pro 2. Mavic 2 Pro.
Drone
Has
all
arrived
accessories.
with a fly more kit.
Oops, and hang on, there's still more.
Oh, wow.
Oh, cards. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go. Our first unboxing. And we've now added to our camera equipment the Mavic 2 Pro. And hopefully we're going to fly this baby and get some good video footage. And
then together with this,
yeah,
let's put this in, yeah? So,
yeah.
Together with the gimbal, the tripod, and these, we can hopefully start our videoing.
So what do you say about this?
Yeah!